Bhagavad Gita, Bite-Size Learning, Episode 14, Arjuna Vishada Yoga, Shloka 6. Question: Who are Upapandavas? The episode is the concluding part of explanation of Shloka 6. The Shloka mentions sons of Draupadi. The Upapandavas are 5 sons of Pandavas and Draupadi. Prativindya was the eldest of them and son of Yudhishthira. He was the crown prince of Hastinapura and was supposed to inherit the throne. During the Kurukshetra war, it is believed that he was 24 years old and he fought bravely along with his uncles and cousins. Shatanika, son of Nakula, was the second child of Draupadi. He was nominated as one of the deputy commanders-in-chief of the army under Drishtadyumna. It is believed that he was good at strategic planning or vyuha planning. The third of the Upapandavas was Sutasoma, son of Bhima. He played a major role in the Kurukshetra war and assisted his uncles closely in the war. He was Arjuna's favorite and received gifts like horses for his chariot and bow from him. The fourth child of Draupadi was Shrutasena, son of Sahadeva. He was brave and fought with all his might. He is said to have killed Dushasana's son to avenge the death of his cousin Abhimanyu. The last of the Upapandavas was Shrutakarma, son of Arjuna and Draupadi. He was pampered by all as he was the youngest of the lot. Shrutakarma participated in the war and is said to have decorated his horses and chariot in a colorful manner. He is said to have faced the warriors like Ashwatthama and Dushasana in the battle. His young age and lack of experience did not deter him from participating in the Kurukshetra war. On the 18th day or the last day of the Kurukshetra war, after the death of Duryodhana, Ashwatthama was extremely saddened and grieved. He was furious at the Pandavas for the death of his father Drona and dear friend Duryodhana. He was burning with anger and was filled with grudge towards them. He wanted to do something in revenge and make the Pandavas regret their decision of waging a war for a lifetime. Ashwatthama assembled Kritavarma and Kripacharya and motivated them to join him in the most horrendous crime he planned to commit. Ashwatthama, along with his accomplices, reached the Pandava camp where all the warriors were asleep in peace as the war had come to an end. He asked Kritavarma and Kripacharya to stand at the entrance and kill whoever tries to escape. He entered the camp like an angry demon and killed Drishtadyumna, the commander of the Pandava army and the killer of his father Drona. Ashwatthama then killed the remaining warriors including Shikandi, Yuddhamanyu, Uttamaujas and many other prominent warriors of the Pandava army. Those who tried to flee from Ashwatthama's wrath were hacked down by Kripacharya and Kritavarma at the camp's entrance. Ashwatthama saw 5 figures sleeping and assumed that they were Pancha Pandavas and killed all of them. Later, he realized that he had killed the Upapandavas and not the Pandavas. But Ashwatthama was in such an agonized mental state that he had no remorse in killing the Upapandavas. When Draupadi discovered that her sons had been slaughtered in their sleep, she was inconsolable. It takes years to nurture a family and it takes centuries to build a country. But war can destroy everything in a day. Thank you for watching. Meet you soon.